everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make another paper squishy. So the things you require are paper, some sketch pens or crayon, tape, scissors and white paper and pencil in case. So in this paper squishy we are neither going to use foam or cotton or paper. So let's start. First you need to draw two circles as I'm drawing. Inside the two circles, you can draw anything you want, and if you are making one squishy, then you need two circles, two squishy, then four circles. So I am over here making a heart. You can make whatever you want. So I'm done over here drawing the hearts, and now you need to cut this circle, and inside part also you can cut it if you want. But today we are going to do it little differently. So today first we are going to color it properly. So take your crayons or whatever you have and then color it. So as you can see guys, I have colored it so heart and blue color. So it looks pretty to me. And now with the help of tape we are going to tape it. So it's very simple to tape. You can check my previous videos also if you didn't check. So this is like part 3 of making the paper squishy. You can make more also. It's very simple. तो गाइस जिससे मैं आप सभी के लिए ऐसे वीडियोस बनाती हूँ, बहुत मेहनत करके मैं ये सब का करके आइडिया बनाती हूँ, यूनिक आइडिया. तो आप एक लाइक तो बनता है ना ऐसे वीडियोस के लिए, तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो. सो गाइस यहाँ पे मेरा टेपिंग हो गया है, तो अब हमें इसको कट करना है. So guys, over here I have done the cutting these beautiful hearts. You can take either one-sided paper, like I took like one-sided paper over here, or any paper you can take. Guys, tell me in which part did I make this squishy, this ice cream squishy? And now with the help of tape, we need to like stick this both. You can do with glue also if you want, but I'm doing with tape. And when you're taping it right, you need to like leave a little bit gap over here on the top so that we can fill the stuffs we want. तो मेरा ऊपर से सब चिपकाना भी हो गया, तो मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गैप किया है. So now we take our tissue paper. So here I have some tissue paper. I'm now going to stuff it inside like this. So like this you need to keep stuffing more and more tissue paper inside. So I'm almost done filling this. So you need to fill it till the top. So a little bit more I think I can keep it. And then you need to tape it like how you did it. And if you didn't see how to tape, then you can check on my previous videos. I showed how to do it in the previous video. Here it is guys. So this is done. The heart paper squishy. It's so nice. See here it's the ice cream paper squishy. I made like 3 paper squishies till now. And if you want me to make more paper squishies like this, like more amazing ideas like using tissue paper and making paper squishy, or using paper and making paper squishy, so do comment in the comments box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We are soon going to reach 70 subscribers. We are 61 subscribers already. So what are you waiting? So thanks for watching my video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. And guys, do participate in the drawing competition I gave. I uploaded the video, so you can send me your drawings over that email ID, and I'll surely check it out. And on 18th May, I'll announce the winner's name. So bye bye. Isn't it wonderful?